To wrap up this unit, we've got a quick video on comments in HTML. So comments are not an element. They're nothing that you will see rendered in the browser. It's really just a way of adding notes or text to your HTML document that will be ignored by the browser. So usually I use this for notes or feedback or reminders. I don't use it much in HTML. Other languages like JavaScript, other tools, CSS, they all have their own form of comments. It's the same idea. So right now, if I wanted to add a little note in here explaining what the alt attribute does, alt attribute will be read by screen reader. I guess that's passive voice, but whatever. If I leave that there, of course, it's just going to show up, right? Now, if I wanted that to be there for me to see in the code, but not for the browser to render and for users to see, I can turn it into a comment. And the syntax for this is kind of weird and clunky to remember, but it's a bracket, so less than, exclamation point, dash, dash. And then you can see everything after this just went gray. That's how VS Code shows me that I'm commenting something out. And then to close the comment, it's dash, dash, and then the, what is that, greater than bracket? The closing bracket. You can see it's treated differently. It's italicized, it's grayed out. I'm going to save and refresh, and it's not there anymore. We don't see anything rendered. Now this syntax is clunky enough that I never remember it. Truth be told, I had to refresh my memory before, like 10 seconds ago when I just showed it to you, because usually what I do is I use a shortcut inside of VS Code, which is on a Mac, command and then /. You can see I just commented that line out, and I can uncomment it by doing the same thing. I can toggle it back and forth, command / on a Mac. If you're not sure what the shortcut is on your platform, if you open that command palette we saw earlier, and if you type comment, you can actually access the different commands from here, but the one I'm using is toggle line comment, and it will show you the keyboard or the keys you need. So for me, it's command /. Okay, so I can toggle things on and off, and this is generally what I do. So if I wanted to add another note in here, I don't know what else I would do, like, oh, we can nest lists. I would do something like right here, comment, we can nest lists. And I use that command / to make that work. Okay, refresh. We don't see any of that stuff. It's all been commented out. That's all there is to it.